Alright, welcome to another term of IST, and today we're going to start looking at robotics. Now we've got to remember that computers are stupid. They'll do whatever we tell them to do. So if you tell it to drive off a cliff, it will do so. So now let's have a look at this program. It's called Lego Mindstorms and it is installed on all your computers. So you need to open that up, and you also need to have a robot. So you should now be in groups of 2 or 3 and have your robot fully constructed. Turn it on by pressing the middle button. You can see the mouse is on that one. You just hold it down, and now let's just go back. You got to press this plus sign, add project, and it should pop up. Alright, so it's pretty straightforward. We've got these little blocks that let us control our robot. So this one controls the motor, this one controls a large motor, this one does the steering, and this one moves. You can make it move a little bit. So to begin with, we'll use this one, move steering. Now you can change the angle it's going to steer, so you can make it say 90 degrees, or you could even make it 13 degrees. It's very powerful. You can change the speed to 100 or minus 100. Minus 100 would make it go full speed backwards, and number of rotations. You can change that as well. So how many times it's going to continue going forward. And just experiment with this. IST is all about experimenting. You can't do anything wrong apart from breaking the robot. So, programming, just have fun. Now here, these are the ports. You've got B plus C. Now on your robot, have a look at your robot. I don't have a robot with me here. And you will see at the back, there's A, B, C, D. And then at the other side, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, your sensors should go into 1, 2, 3, 4. We haven't looked at sensors yet, but they should be there. And your motors, like the ones turning the robot around or moving it forwards, should be A, B, C, or D. Now you've got to check to see what ports are being used. All right, if A is being used instead of C, change it like that. Next step is we can add in more blocks. So we can make it go backwards and then go forwards. We can make it then turn. Just experiment and see what you can get up with today. So the challenge today is you've got to make the robot go forward into a square, and then next challenge is make the robot go forward, stop in the square, and then come back to the start line. Then the last challenge is make the robot go forward, stop in a square, wait 5 seconds, and then come back to the start line. So I'm not going to show you how to do it all. Part of programming in IST is also learning from, experimenting and being creative. Alright, hopefully that was loud enough.